If you are yet to start making money on YouTube, this is your chance. There are a lot of tools that can help you make $1,000 online. This video isn't real, and all of it was made with AI. Everything from the image to video and audio generation was done within 20 minutes, thanks to artificial intelligence. Don't believe me? Let me show you how. If you stick till the end of the video, you should be able to make your own character that talks and acts the way you want it to, and you can use it for YouTube faceless channels, on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and many creators are doing this and making thousands of dollars from it. I'll also show you the tools I used. You can check them out in the description of this video, so you can use them too to get similar results. If you're pumped up, hit that subscribe button and let's go. We'll start with creating a character, to image generation, video generation, and lastly, creating a unique voice for our character. Now let's create a short script to generate an idea for our character. To do this, we'll be using ChatGPT. We put in our prompt to generate a character we like and hit generate. Feel free to use your own prompt anyhow you like. Once you get an idea you like, copy it so you can use it to generate the character's image. Next, we'll take the character idea we copied to Piclumen. This is a free image generator that generates unlimited images at no cost. You can upgrade to a paid plan for faster generation, but for this video, a free plan will do. Paste in your idea and hit generate. You can tweak the idea prompt till you get what you want. Wait for your image to generate. I like this one better. All I need to do now is download the image to your computer. Once our image is downloaded, we can save it, just the way we like it. When it comes to video generation, Kling AI is the best. To get started, sign up using your Gmail account. You should get a verification code in your mail. Once you do, copy this verification code, go back to Kling AI, paste in the verification code, click sign in, and you should be good to go. Kling AI gives you free points on their free plan, so you can try out a few generations. The next thing we go to is video. Choose video. And the tool we need to use is image to video generation. Next, attach your image and create a prompt. Here, we're creating a prompt on a YouTuber talking straight into the camera and making gestures. We want our character, to be as natural as possible. You should ensure that you give it as much life as possible using your prompts. For negative prompts, put in what you do not want to see on your video, like jittering, distortions, and finger distortions. Once we're good, we click generate. By the way, with Kling AI, they have a $6 plan where you should be able to make a good amount of videos with their pro version. We check that everything is fine, choose 10 seconds for our video, check through that every other thing is fine, and then we hit generate. We should see that your video is being worked on and the AI is performing its magic. All we need to do is download the video and name it the way we like it to use later. Once our video is downloaded, we can check to see the output of our video. I think I like what we have right here. So now there's something we need to do next. We need to take a screenshot of the last point of this video. We're going to be using this as another image for the next video because we're merging two videos together. So take a screenshot. On a Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus 3. For Windows users, you could do a print screen to get a screenshot. Once we've taken the screenshot, adjust the screenshot the way we like it and save it for later. After we save our video, we can go back to Kling AI to make the second part of our video generation. This time, we'll add a little action to our character to stand up a little, just to give it some life and to make it as natural as possible. Once we are done, we hit generate and wait for it to finish. After a minute, we get the new generation for the second part of the video. We can now save this second part of the video. The next thing we need to do is to go to Elevenlabs. This is where we generate a voice for our character. Now, with Elevenlabs, you could create human-like voices. Once you register with your email, input your name, your date of birth, and go on to finish the onboarding process. Once you are in Elevenlabs, choose a voice from the thousands of voices in the voice library. Remember that you need to choose a voice that resonates with the kind of character you've created. Our character is an African American, and so we need to choose a voice that can resonate with the character we've created. Next, I'd type in something just random, and click generate. And within seconds, we should have our voice generated. If you really like what you hear, you can download the voicing from Elevenlabs to your system, and then rename it to what you like, and you're good to go. Now, we need to join the 2 videos we created on Kling AI. To do this, we'll be using CapCut. Locate CapCut, open it, upload the 2 videos, and join them to make them into one video. We need to make our video as short as possible because our voicing is within 10 to 11 seconds. Because the voice needs to match with the video so that we can get the best output and natural lip syncing. Once this is done, we can export the video to use on Kling AI for the final lip syncing. On Kling AI, choose the lip syncing icon. Attach our video, wait for it to upload. Attach the audio, the one we created from Elevenlabs. Sometimes we might need to edit our audio to get it to the right length to match our video. Once we're good, we can click on generate and wait for the output. Our video should be ready to download in 9 minutes or so. Save it the way we like it, and there you have it. So you can use this for your faceless YouTube channels, Instagram, and Facebook to tell a story without showing your face. And this is even monetizable. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. And I'll see you next time. Peace.